Imagine the perfect sunny afternoon, the smell of sizzling meat wafting through the air, and the sound of laughter from friends and family as you effortlessly craft culinary masterpieces. This Weber Master Touch Charcoal Grill 22-inch black is not just a grill, it's your gateway to becoming the ultimate grill master. This review will delve into why this grill stands out from the competition and how it can transform your outdoor cooking experience. Why choose Weber Master Touch Charcoal Grill? Timeless design and durability. With its classic look and sturdy construction, this grill is built to last and impress. Versatile cooking options. The gourmet BBQ system allows you to explore various cooking methods, enhancing your culinary creativity. Convenience and efficiency. Features like the tuck-away lid holder, built-in thermometer, and tool hooks streamline the grilling process. Easy maintenance. The one-touch cleaning system makes post-grill cleanup a breeze. The Weber Master Touch Charcoal Grill combines the timeless appeal of charcoal grilling with modern conveniences, making it a standout addition to any backyard. Its sleek black finish and robust construction speak to its durability and style. The 22-inch diameter cooking grate provides ample space, holding up to 13 burgers made with Weber burger press, ensuring you can feed a crowd with ease. One of the key features that set this grill apart is the tuck-away lid holder, which allows you to slide the lid into a convenient side holder rather than placing it on the ground. This thoughtful design element keeps your grilling area tidy and safe, and it's a perfect example of Weber's attention to detail. Performance-wise, the Weber Master Touch Charcoal Grill excels in delivering consistent, high-quality results. The Gourmet BBQ System GBS cooking grate is a game-changer. It's compatible with a variety of GBS inserts, such as a wok, griddle, and pizza stone, which you can purchase separately. This versatility lets you experiment with different cooking styles and expand your grilling repertoire beyond just burgers and steaks. Adding fuel mid-grill is often a hassle, but not with the Master Touch. The hinged cooking grate allows easy access to the char basket fuel holders, so you can add charcoal without disturbing your food. The char basket fuel holders also help in arranging briquettes efficiently, ensuring even heat distribution and making it easier to control the cooking temperature. Weber has packed this grill with features designed to make your grilling experience as convenient as possible. The built-in lid thermometer is a handy tool for monitoring the grill's internal temperature without lifting the lid and losing precious heat. This feature is crucial for achieving perfectly cooked food every time. Tool hooks are another thoughtful addition, providing a place to hang your spatulas, tongs, and other grilling tools, keeping them within easy reach. This level of organization enhances your efficiency and enjoyment while grilling. One of the most dreaded aspects of charcoal grilling is the cleanup. Weber addresses this with the one-touch cleaning system. This innovative feature allows you to swipe charcoal ash and debris into a high-capacity, removable ash catcher with minimal effort. This hassle-free cleanup ensures that you spend less time cleaning and more time enjoying your delicious grilled food. The Gourmet BBQ system opens up a world of culinary possibilities right in your backyard. From smoky chili cooked in a wok to breakfast pancakes on the griddle, this system transforms your grill into a versatile outdoor kitchen. Each GBS accessory is designed to fit perfectly into the hinged cooking grate, making it easy to switch between different cooking methods. Why you should buy the Weber Master Touch Charcoal Grill. In summary, the Weber Master Touch Charcoal Grill is a well-rounded, versatile, and high-performing grill that caters to both novice and experienced grillers. Its thoughtful design, innovative features, and ease of use make it a valuable addition to any outdoor cooking setup. If you're looking to elevate your grilling game and enjoy a versatile, user-friendly, and durable charcoal grill, the Weber Master Touch is an excellent choice. Whether you're hosting a large gathering or enjoying a quiet meal outdoors, the Weber Master Touch Charcoal Grill promises to deliver exceptional performance and make every grilling session memorable. Invest in this grill and take the first step towards mastering the art of outdoor cooking. Thanks for watching the video. I hope you found it helpful. If you enjoyed the video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more reviews like this one.